What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing the Zendaya inspired makeup tutorial which she's wearing in her SAG Awards night. This look is really simple, which is more so like a soft pink eyeshadow look. So to start off, I'm gonna take the Cetaphil moisturizer. My skin is acting really weird because I'm on retinol, so it's kind of like, dry and flaky. And you guys know my skin is really sensitive, so I'm just gonna use this gentle moisturizer all over my face and my neck. I'm just gonna let this moisturizer sink into my face for a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So I've already done my brows off camera. Now her eyebrows are filled quite naturally, and to fill my brows I have used my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. Also to set my brows I've used this Colourpop Feather Brow Effect Wax. So Zendaya is this gorgeous young lady and her makeup game is on point, and she knows how to slay her makeup, and for that she has kept it very kind of cute girly energy. So next for my foundation today, I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. This is in the shade Y415. I really like this foundation because it gives full coverage as well as it looks like undetectable skin, which gives you this gorgeous filtered look. So I'm just gonna take one pump of it on the back of my hand. You guys know the gist of applying the foundation. I'm just gonna dot it around my face. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, start blending this foundation into my skin. Okay, next for my concealer, I'm taking this Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. This is in the shade number 7. I'm also gonna use this concealer as my eyeshadow primer. And you guys trust the process because in the beginning it's gonna look a little wonky. So Zendaya's skin is having a very kind of like a slight contoured look, and I'm gonna take this She Glam Liquid Contour. This is in the shade Warm Honey. I'm going to start bringing it towards my nose bridge, just like so. Using the same beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend it into my skin and give myself this sort of like a soft sculpted look. So to set my under eyes, I'm gonna take this Magic Star Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Topaz. I'm just gonna take the same damn beauty blender. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna take this RCMA No Color Powder on this sort of like a powder brush. So before getting into our eyeshadows, I'm gonna go back with my damn beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend this concealer to start with a really nice even eyeshadow base. Okay, so her eyeshadow look is like this really soft wash of pink color, which looks really effortless on her. So to achieve that, I'm gonna take this Bright Matte palette by Beauty Bay, and I'm going to take this shade called Sweet Tooth, and I'm gonna take this Morphe M330 fluffy blending brush. Just dip into this shade, tap off the excess, you know the drill with my eyeshadows. I'm just gonna blend it all over my lids, giving myself this sort of like a soft wash of pink. Okay, on the same brush, I'm gonna take this Beauty Bay bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel. This is gonna make this eyeshadow a little bit warm and really blend it into the skin. Okay, using the same eyeshadow called Sweet Tooth, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and we're gonna just use it under our eyes. So if you guys see her makeup look up close, she's wearing this sort of like a muted yellow brow bone highlight, also the same into the inner corners of her eyes. Now I have this shade called Custard Cream, which is kind of similar to that. I'm going to take this Morphe M124 brush, take a little bit of this shade called Custard Cream, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna put this as my brow bone highlight. I could also see her under eye looks a little bit more vibrant and bright. So I'm just going to go back with my setting powder and use the same to give myself a little bit of this highlighted effect. I'm just going to let it sit under my eyes. So we're gonna be skipping the bronzer today, and I'm gonna just move into my next step, which is our blush. And I'm going to take this Moon Prism blush palette by Lunar Beauty, and I'm gonna take this shade called Pink Moon, which is this sort of like a very muted baby pink. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm just gonna apply this eyeliner only onto the top of my lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. As I can see her eyes up close, she's wearing some sort of like a half lash. So I've cut my strip lash into this sort of like a half lash. I'm gonna apply them before moving into our lips. Okay, I can also see she's wearing some individual lashes on her lower lash line. So I have taken this Kiss Eye Envy lash trio. I've just cut 2 clusters into a couple of individual lashes, and I'm gonna just apply these individual lashes. Okay, next for my lips, I'm gonna take this Rimmel lip pencil. This is in the shade Spice, and I'm gonna line my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. And I'm going to use a lip brush to apply my lipstick today. I'm going to take this Beauty Bay lip gloss. This is in the shade Sleepless. So you guys, this is the finished look inspired by Zendaya. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.